it is a privilege for me to be here just to relate to us what we have done in the first quarter against our key performance indicator has been guided by the FCCO in the intention of the government of the day. Our first quarter achievement on the reduction of disciplinary offences by 50%. I am glad to report that this is one area that we, the Fiji Police, has been scrutinizing in the last few years, the indiscipline within the organization. However, in the first quarter, we have managed to reduce by 79%. There were only 106 cases reported compared to the target that was given to us, 150. Having said that we have achieved that, there is a lot of room of improvement to be done. Given the guidance from the Commissioner of Police, the word that I would like to state this morning from all operationals on the ground as the Chief Operation Officer, the way forward is for us is a very aggressive approach. Aggressive approach in the total reduction of crime throughout the country. The intention of the Commissioner of Police, as all of us have known, to provide that conducive environment for the government of the day in all its effort, all its policies, all the initiatives for us to get through towards 2014 for the election. The police is called to provide that environment for the government of the day. Focus on that. Looking back at our first quarter, the achievement, through what I have discussed or briefed this morning, you've noted that the criminal front is the area that we'll be focusing into. Our criminal front. Overall reduction. Aggressive approach in terms of all the things that we do. Two issues of approach. Number one, enforcement of the law. We have to enforce the law of the nation. And in order to do that, all police officers should know the law. You've noted that the headquarters have been trying to purchase a lot of law books for us to be aware of the things that are going. The landscape of the security environment that they are in dictate us to know, as law enforcers, for us to know the law. Before we enforce the law, we have to know the law first. So enforcement of law in all phases. Also along this line, we have started the paper in regards to an integrated fugitive apprehension unit in line with some of our international police organizations. This unit will solely be responsible for the hunting down of wanted people that are around in the country. Those are pending, that are supposed to be arrested, that we could not arrest it, this unit will look after that. We look after also the warrants that are pending. More than 500,000 of the government revenue is sitting with our warrants not executed. That is some of the parts of this fugitive apprehension unit that very soon will be calling in personnel to come and run this unit. This is an effort for us to get the backlog up in line with the current situations that we are in. People that are on the run are vulnerable to committing offenses. All of us know that. The enforcement of the law is to get these people to justice. Stop them from committing other offenses when they are on the run. The support of the government of the day and its intention. I emphasize that the Fiji Police will support any government of the day. That is where we stand. And I would like to remind you all on the political situation that we are facing. Police officers are to be apolitical, remain to the core functions stipulated by the law, and do not involve yourself in any illegal political activities. There's a lot of issues going around in the political arena, but our role is to provide that environment for the government of the day. Your support to the government as law enforcer is being called upon again this morning. Realign yourself and focus to the way forward of what the government wants us, the Fiji Police, to deliver in order for us to take our country forward. And may I lastly say again, the confidence and the people and the trust of the people will only depend on how we conduct ourselves in relation to the law that is to be enforced. God bless us all.
Officers on parade! Officers salute!